Sunday nga pala po yan. So papunta ako ngayon sa consulate. So kaya ito makikita nyo, ito yung part na napakalaki at napakaganda. So kung makikita nyo yung tumbok yan, Virgin Mary yan, yung papunta rin yun sa Macau Tower, kita-kita rin dyan. So ito nga po, nakikita ko sa inyo yung napakaganda ng weather at napakaganda ng hungry. Hello mga pangya. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning world. So ayun, today is okay na yung aking invitation. So tapos na. So dahil nagugutom tayo at ililibre ko kayo dito sa MJM. So nandito nga pala tayo sa Nape, kung saan pumunta ako ng consulate. So sa mga pangyaw po natin dyan, again once again, ako'y hindi magsasawa na sabihin sa inyo, kung like nyo po itong aking video, please like, share, and kung gusto nyo po itong video na to, ayan, pakicomment nyo na lang po sa comment section. At kung gusto nyo naman po ma-update na every time na meron akong latest upload or video, please click the notification bell and please subscribe. Ayan, kuha ko muna tayo ng mga souvenir picture. So dahil napakaganda ng view. Ayan, nandito tayo sa MJM. So ayan, samahan nyo ako. Kakain tayo ng libre dito. Yes, usually ganito. Iba po. Unboxing.
iPad 11 new model.
No, no, old.
How inches? 11 inches. 2020. How year?
May battery din. Including battery?
10 inches.
So, sila mo na paanin mo.
Hindi, tinitingnan ko lang.
To install. Ay, to ano, put the...
Maybe this one. 180.
How to put the film.
Have the black, have the blue, and the orange.
Open this one.
Black. Thì có một màu này có một hồng.
Good, she's okay, you can see this one yellow. And this one yellow also. Okay, put inside. It's okay. And then close. When you finish, can take out. If you don't finish, cannot open this one.
Okay.
So, you need to
How you
finish
know?
the film.
Finish. You can
How
see
did you-
this one is not. This one is cannot.
You can see how
The first
to-
one is cannot. Okay, you can. Oh. You don't put the.
battery. You need to put the battery. That's why it's not... it's not
It's okay,
working
it's
because we
okay.
don't have a battery. Yawa kong kaya ito sa'yo.
Just see here.
All the version.
Okay. I can take the photo for you.
Okay.
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
For
Yawa
my
mo.
baby. Ayoko.
For your baby. Can take the one now?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Bring
Yeah.
this one to the Philippines.
Okay.
Just only sample. Make it sample. Like, yeah? Okay, go.
O, ikaw.
Can you
Hello. Hi.
make it sample?
Tanggalin mo yung telepono mo. Okay.
The first one is cannot. You can see it's the 10. Inside have the 10 piece.
Okay.
Did you check?
This one is
Wala yan, parang ano yan, cover.
Okay. Can you check? I will try one.
Oh, Missy. Just wait a minute. I
Instant Mini 12 camera. Fujifilm.
HKD pala yun.
Oh, HKD. 900. Binigay lang magkano? 680 plus 83 film. Instant Mini 12. Magkano siningel? Mia. HKD. Hello mga pangyaw, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So ayan nga po, late upload ako dyan dahil yan is Mother's Day last Sunday. So, ayan, late upload. So, okay lang yan. So, ayan nga, sinelebrate ng mga anak ko dahil daw Mother's Day. So, ayan. So, actually, dalawa na kaming mother dyan. Yung eldest ko at ako, yan. So, yung mga isa ko pang anak at yung girlfriend ng aking anak na lalaki is wala pang anak. So, ayan. So kami lang ang Mother's Day mother dyan. Kung makikita nyo, ayan, may pa-cake pa. Napaka liit na cake pero napakasarap. Ayan nga. Sabi nga, 'di ba, simple happiness is the best. So, ayan nga, dahil